Hi everyone, this is Shirley with Unboxing Brand and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a box directly from Japan called Sakuraco. Sakuraco is actually a brand new box. I believe they're part of a larger subscription box service from Japan. They source authentic Japanese sweets and snacks and they deliver it directly to your door. This is actually their very first box and I'm so curious to see what's inside. As usual, they have several different plans. If you purchase it month by month, it's $37.50. If you get 3 months, you save $6. That comes to $35.50 a month. Their 6-month plan, each box is $33.50. And if you order their 12-month plan, it comes down to $32.50 a month. Now, the only downside with this is that you do have to pay for express shipping yourself, and that was quite pricey. Since this is their first box, I just wanted to order one box and try it out. My order came out to about $50, so $37.50 plus $12.50? $13.50? No, $12.50. So I had to pay $12.50 for shipping. Now, granted, this is worldwide shipping. I'm reading the label here. This is express worldwide shipping from DHL, and it only took several days for it to get here. And the good thing is that I got a text message from DHL when it did ship, and I was able to track it. The box did ship like this, so I see the pretty pattern on the inside here, but it's like wrapped in this bubble wrap and the shipping label is on the front. I don't think I've ever seen a box ship like this, but hey, it's protecting my box on the inside. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in here. I'm just gonna open a bubble wrap. Ooh, here it is. So Sakura means plum blossom in Japanese, and with spring coming up, this is the perfect time for them to be launching their box. Let's have a look. Ooh, so cute. Nice to meet you. Let's have tea. All the best things are shared. Post and tag, hashtag Sakuraco. Ooh, there's a nice little postcard in here. Hi there, I'm Ayumi, founder of Sakuraco. I can't express how grateful I am to have you join us for the first Sakuraco box. During these difficult times when traveling is the last thing on people's minds, I am so happy that we can share a little piece of Japanese culture with you, wherever you are in the world. Throughout the next months and years, I'm so excited to introduce you to new Japanese sweets and snacks while we explore Japanese culture together. Ayumi Chikamoto. It's nice to have a little note from the founder. I think I already smell some of the stuff inside. And then you get a little booklet here, and oh, this is like, you open it backwards. Well, I mean, for us, it's backwards, but I think maybe for some Japanese and Asian cultures, it's the right way to open it. I was on their Instagram account and I saw somebody ask whether or not you can find these snacks at like your local Japanese store. And the answer was no, you can't, because they went out and sourced these and they come from like, I guess, mom and pop shops maybe. Whoa, look at all these snacks. I'm super excited to try it. Okay, so let's see. The first one looks like a rice cracker. I can't really read it because it's in Japanese, but it's like these pink cherry blossom shaped rice crackers. Next item, I think this is some sort of butter cake. It feels very soft and you can't really see the inside, but it looks like it's strawberry flavored. Next item looks like a pound cake that's peach flavored. Okayama white peach castella. Ooh, and there's like a whole bunch of small things on. Oops, on the inside. We have 2 of these sponge cakes, strawberry castella. Okay, it's another strawberry castella. I guess it's a different, oh wait, no, the other one's peach. So you get 2 of these little sponge cakes. Azuki taiyaki, red bean filled Japanese cake. I love these things. So they're like little fish shaped snack. How fun. Oh my gosh, what are these? Japanese sugar candy, Sakura Compieto. I don't think I've ever had candy that's this size. Maybe like Pop Rocks? No, but these are not really Pop Rocks. I don't know if you can see it. I'll do a close-up shot. Ooh, and this is also very Sakura themed. What else do we have here? Peach sand. That's all it says, peach sand. Okay, it looks like some sort of sponge cake as well. There's 2 slices of cake sandwiched together with some sort of peach filling. Ooh, what's this? All Japanese. I guess I can probably reference back to here. Okay, here we go. So this is a Sakura Manaka. Oh, there's another one in here. There's a round one and a rectangle one. So in between 2 crisp pink Manaka wafers, you'll find a rich and elegant Sakura scented sweet red bean paste filling. Taste it and be transported to Japan's Sakura season. Next one, I think this is some sort of matcha cake, matcha pound cake. Yummy. I love a good matcha cake. All right, we have more. Sakura Ibi. Don't really know what that is, but I will have a close-up shot for you to look at. We have so much more, guys. Oh my gosh. So sweet Sakura tea. Ooh, cherry blossoms. Wait, is this tea? Okay, so I guess you have to boil this with warm water for a minute, and there's 2 of them. Interesting. Okay, what else do we have? This is a spring collection, also some sort of cake. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, okay, so this is what that tea, wow, pretty. So this is what that tea looks like. How interesting. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the Sakura Madeleine. Perfect treat for the spring season. This Madeleine's moist texture is enhanced by the elegant flavor of Sakura extract, which is worked and baked into the dough. Yummy. Next one, this is also all Japanese. Let's see. Do you like how I wore a top that matches with this box theme? Here it is. Okay, so this is the, mochi monaka. I'm so sorry, I don't speak Japanese and I am very bad at pronouncing these names. Sakura lovers won't be able to put this crispy treat down. Elegant and mature Sakura flavored red bean paste and chewy mochi. Flavored with salted Sakura petals are sandwiched inside crispy Monaka wafers. Yummy. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, some sort of wafer. This is a very flat piece of snack. Sakuraco cracker. Known for its mellow flavor, this limited edition rice cracker uses sakura as an ingredient, which gives it the scent of cherry blossom, setting the tone for a spring scene. Uh-oh, I just broke it. Oops. Oh, okay. Well, I'm curious to try that out. Coming down to the last items here. Oh no, this is also broken. This is supposed to be a wafer. So this is a sakura and strawberry crepe roll. It's crispy, but it's also broken. Oh well, I'm sure it still tastes very good. This thing I'm very intrigued about. This is by Taishodo, and I have no idea what this is, but it comes in really cute packaging here. Enjoy the elegant flavors of soft and chewy kuzu mochi. Mochi drizzled with kinawan brown sugar syrup and dusted with 2 types of kinako, which is roasted soybean flour. In a bowl, top the mochi with the syrup and then kinako to your taste. Okay, interesting. Oh. So that's what that looks like. Ooh, okay, so there's only one of these. And then at the very bottom, I see something that is not a snack. And I think I know what it is because I saw it in their ad. So this is a blooming Sakura mini plate. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Oh, this is made in China, not made in Japan. That's okay. Ooh, wow, look at that. Do I match with my plate? Okay, so this is a nice little plate. Enjoy your seasonal Sakuraco snacks with this Sakura-inspired ceramic plate. This small, cute tableware features an elegant cherry blossom motif to help welcome in the new season. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and dig in. Wow, like if you look at all the packaging here, everything is Sakura themed. Here's a quick snapshot of all the treats that we got. So I'm super excited to try out all these snacks. I'll let you know what I think of these in the comment section below. It's gonna take me a while to get through this because there's just so many snacks. And ooh, on the back of this little magazine gives you the history of Hanami. Hanami, or cherry blossom viewing, is a much loved event in Japan with a long and rich history. But how did it begin and where is it now? Let's find out. Cool, so they give you like a cool little history lesson as well, and some beautiful pictures back here. This is a very interesting box. Will I order it on a monthly basis? Probably not, just because it's a little bit pricey. You have to pay for shipping and it adds up to about $50. So this would be a great gift if you wanted to gift it to somebody who loves Japanese culture. And if you place your order now, you are not going to receive the box that you see here. You are going to receive the April box. But I saw some spoilers in there, and I think they have a cup that matches this pattern. So if you're liking this pattern, you are not able to get this box, but you can get it on a cup. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that was unboxing the first Sakuraco. Thank you so much for watching this video. If I have a coupon code, I'll make sure to leave it down below. I don't know if I have one though, but if I do, I'll make sure to link it. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you the next one. Bye.